G'day guys, it's Steve from Truyard again, out here today testing the new RT450 rear Tine Rotary Tiller. We're preparing vegetable gardens, landscaping projects or breaking new ground. This is the Truyard RT450 rear Tine Rotary Tiller, powered by the legendary Honda GX200 commercial engine. Designed for Australian conditions, the RT450 combines a heavy-duty rear tine design with powered drive wheels, giving you far more control than a typical front tine cultivator. All your controls are simple and easy to reach. You have adjustable handlebars for operator comfort, a dead man clutch for added safety, plus forward and reverse drive to make manoeuvring effortless. One of the biggest advantages of the RT450 is its dual rotating Tine System. Forward rotation is ideal for cultivating existing garden beds, while reverse rotation provides more aggressive digging performance when you're breaking into harder or untouched ground. Power comes from Honda's GX200 commercial engine, trusted by contractors and property owners for its reliability, easy starting and long service life. The RT450 features a 450mm working width with a tilling depth of up to 165mm, making it ideal for prepping vegetable gardens, renovating lawns, landscaping projects and acreage maintenance. So if you're looking for a serious rear tine rotary tiller with commercial grade Honda reliability and outstanding digging performance, the Truyard RT450 is built to handle the job. To learn more, visit truyard.com.au or contact your nearest Truyard dealer. Cheers.